Hello, this is Kamal Vyas, your Scrum Guide. In the previous video, we talked about what AI governance is and why it is needed. Now let's dive deeper into the key risks in AI system and why they matter in real life. AI is powerful and is changing how we work and make decisions, but power without control brings serious risks. If AI systems are not managed properly, those risks don't stay technical. They affect people, businesses, and society as a whole. The first major risk is bias and discrimination. AI systems learn from data. That data comes from the real world, and the real world is not neutral. If the data reflects human bias, the AI absorbs it and repeats it at scale. The result can be unfair decisions even when no one intends harm. Qualified candidates may be rejected, certain groups may be favored over others. Once deployed, biased AI can quietly reinforce inequality faster and wider than any single human decision ever could. The second risk is data privacy. AI systems often rely on massive amounts of personal information. Names, locations, behavior patterns, health data, and financial details are all valuable inputs. When this data is poorly protected, it becomes exposed or misused. A single leak can affect thousands of millions of people at once. Loss of privacy erodes trust, and without trust, AI adoption quickly becomes a liability instead of an advantage. The third risk is lack of transparency, often called the black box problem. In many AI systems, we see inputs going in and outputs coming out, but not the reasoning in between. Sometimes, even the people who built the system cannot fully explain how a decision was made. When an AI denies a loan, flags a risk, or recommends an action, the question becomes simple and uncomfortable: why? If we cannot explain decisions, we cannot challenge them, fix them, or confidently rely on them. The fourth risk is security. AI systems are not immune to attacks. They can be manipulated, poisoned with bad data, or tricked into producing incorrect results. An attacker doesn't need to destroy the system, they only need to nudge it in the wrong direction. When AI is used in critical processes, wrong outputs can lead to serious consequences, from financial loss to safety risks. The fifth risk is ethical misuse. AI itself is a tool. The real danger lies in how people choose to use it. AI can be used to spread misinformation, invade privacy, or enable constant surveillance. In these cases, the technology is doing exactly what it was designed to do. The problem is the intent behind its use. Good use and misuse often look similar on surface, but the impact is very different. These risks are not theoretical, they are real, and they are already happening today. Without proper governance, they can grow quietly and quickly. In the next video, we'll explore how responsible AI principles help manage these risks and turn AI into something we can trust.